Here we have the two challengers, ready to battle it out. Which one will conquer the desert?
For almost a decade, if you wanted the ultimate go-anywhere leader class adventure bike, the answer was always the same: Honda Africa Twin. It's the undisputed king. But what happens when a hungry newcomer kicks down the door, steals the king's crown, and sells it back to you for half the price? What is up, Moto Freaks? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a heavyweight bloodbath on our hands. In the red corner, the reigning champion, the Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin. In the blue corner, the absolute savage from the east, the 2026 Cfmoto 1000 MTX. We're putting them head-to-head, and spoiler alert, Honda should be sweating right now. Let's dive in. Let's talk power, because that's what gets us out of bed in the morning. The Africa Twin rocks that legendary 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin. It's smooth, it's bulletproof, pushing out 101 horsepower. It's a tractor in the dirt. But then Cfmoto enters the chat. They didn't just build a new engine. They went to their buddies at KTM and grabbed the 946 cubic centimeters LC8c architecture straight out of the 990 Duke. The result? 111 horsepower. That is a solid 10 horsepower advantage over the Honda. The MTX is snappier, revs faster, comes standard with a bidirectional quickshifter that feels like a sniper rifle. Round 1. The MTX hits harder. If you take a leader bike off-road, weight is your worst enemy. The Africa Twin is fantastic, but when that high-mounted tank is full, it feels top-heavy. Drop it, and you're going to need a friend or a chiropractor to pick it up. Cfmoto literally copied the smartest homework in the class. Look at these low-slung rally-style fuel tanks. Just like the KTM-890 Adventure, this puts all the fuel weight down by your ankles. Combine that with a dry weight of just 438 pounds, and the 1000 MTX is significantly lighter and more flickable than the Honda. Add in the fully adjustable KYB suspension with up to 9 inches of travel, and the MTX isn't just surviving the dirt, it's weaponizing it. Let's look at the cockpit. Honda gives you a great screen, but let's be real, the Apple CarPlay integration and button clusters look like a scientific calculator. It takes a master's degree to figure out the traction control. Step onto the MTX, and you are staring at a massive 8-inch vertical TFT display. It looks like a straight-up Dakar rally tower. It's touchscreen, it's intuitive, and here is the kicker: Cfmoto throws in the kitchen sink as standard. Heated grips? Standard. Heated seat? Standard. Cruise control? Standard. With Honda, you're paying extra for half of that stuff. Now for the fatality. The price. The Africa Twin is a premium machine, and you pay a premium price tag for that Honda wing badge. But the Cfmoto 1000 MTX? It's hitting the European market at around 10,000 euros. That's Yamaha Tenere 700 money for a 111 horsepower, radar-equipped leader-class monster. You are getting 990 adventure performance for middleweight money. It almost feels illegal. Look, the Africa Twin will always be a legend. It holds its resale value, and the reliability is unmatched. But if we are talking pure bang for your buck, performance, and aggressive off-road geometry, the Cfmoto 1000 MTX just put the entire industry on notice. What do you guys think? Would you trust the Chinese-built KTM powerhouse, or are you sticking with old reliable Honda? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Smash that like button, subscribe for more Moto Freak madness, and I will see you in the next one. Ride safe.